recipes. Today we got a special from Blue Apron, Bang Bang Shrimp. We're gonna turn into that. Let's get started. Okay, so the ingredients are right there. So we have everything laid out. We have the jasmine rice, the chicken breast, the roasted peanuts, sweet chili sauce, cornstarch, shamal olek, whatever that is. We got mayonnaise, and then we have what is being called aromatics, and then this pepper. All right, let's get started. So this recipe calls for only 15 minutes. So we're gonna try to do this quickly as possible. There's only 3 long steps to do. First is to prepare the ingredients and make the pepper rice. All right, we gotta cut the pepper from the stem, cut it lengthwise, cut it in half lengthwise, and then gut it out. Mixing in the sweet chili sauce and the mayonnaise and as much of this sambal olek that you want, depending on your spice tolerance. The ingredients in, we're gonna whisk it together. Don't forget to thinly slice crosswise the peppers. Tomatic, what's in the pan along with the peppers. Adding the rice to the peppers and stirring. On to the chicken. We're gonna slice it up. We're gonna put it in a bowl. We're gonna add cornstarch to it, and that'll be our coat along with salt and pepper. Adding in the cornstarch, salt and pepper. Adding some olive oil to the pan while hot. Adding the chicken. Adding the chicken, the coated chicken. Okay, we'll let this cook for a few minutes. All right, with the chicken now cooked, we're gonna revisit this sauce, and we're gonna put all of the chicken in here so we can coat it, dress it up real nice. Now that everything is prepared and cooked, now all we got to do is the artful portion, which is putting it all together to make it look like a dish. Stand by. Okay, it's judgment time. Let's see if we did a good enough job with the picture versus the actual meal that we prepared. What do you think? Not too bad for the very first time cooking, I should say. So I appreciate the likes. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, leave a comment, and give us some more ideas for recipes that we can get from Blue Apron. Till next time.